Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing and first impression. As you all know, I found out this a method of obtaining watches, trying it for a week, and then sending it back through wardrobe function on Amazon. And I thought I'd take full use of it and try a couple of watches that I wanted to buy, but never got a chance to get my hands on due to the either they weren't in the shops that I visited, or I weren't able to visit the shops for some certain watches, and this is one of them. So without further ado, I'll take the watch out so you know which watch I'm talking about. So you get the international warranty, you get the Eco Drive International Manual, and you have the box. You have here a titanium watch. This titanium watch is one of these watches that I put in the shopping cart for a long time, and I didn't buy. So this is a Eco Drive AW1640-83E. It is a titanium watch, as you can see, and Citizen, by the way, calls it super titanium. It has a black dial, a arrow second hand with a blue tip. It has actually loom on all the 12, 3, 6, and 9s, and the hands as well. So the minutes, seconds, and the hours, minutes, seconds. And you have this beautiful brushed and polished sections and the strap, which gives it a really nice look. What I don't like is that the bracelet doesn't go up to the end of the case, as you can see here. And, I don't know if you can see it or not. On both sides, it's the same issue. And also the type of brushing on the case is different. So if you look at it from that perspective, you can see that there's a difference in color between this titanium and that titanium. Anyways, we have here the paper. Can leave it inside. Actually, can put this like this. By the way, I'm wearing my G-Shock. Take the G-Shock out. So basically, this watch is supposedly 41 millimeters in diameter. We will find out the exact diameter. It's actually 42 millimeters in diameter. Lug to lug is 48.5, while the thickness of the watch is 9.5. You have inside the let me zoom in on the watch, because it's definitely a looker. You have inside the J810 Eco Drive caliber, which is around plus minus 15 seconds per month, and has a power reserve of 240 days. So this watch is 5 bar, so 50 meters water resistance, so good to wash your hands, maybe some rain, that's it. And you have this whole watch is 84 grams with the bracelet. So I'll show you the look on my wrist. This is one of the watches that I might keep, to be honest. Zoom out. It looks a lot like a Grand Seiko watch, right? Tell me in the comment section, what does it look like for you? It looks for me like a Grand Seiko watch. I like the watch a lot. I really do like it a lot. And actually on the bracelet, it is very light, very light, I have to say. This is a very hard decision. Should definitely try it out with a strap or something, but I don't know if the Citizen, I think they have 22 millimeter straps. 22, I have a 22 here. So you know me, I'm not a bracelet kind of guy, and if I have to wear this bracelet, I think I have to make it smaller because it's much bigger than I need. As you can see, at least 2 from here and 2 from here. But I know that I won't be wearing it on the strap because you can see the difference in the brushing on the case on the bracelet. That's for me a no-go. And another no-go that I just noticed at the moment, I don't know if you noticed it as well, you can look at the second hands if they are hitting the markers or not. Yeah, they're not hitting the markers. You saw it, right? They are just hitting after the marker, just maybe half a millimeter. I think we will see it better at the 12 because when they are at the 12, they're supposed to fit in this groove in the middle. And let's see where they will fit. We're filming from 12 o'clock, so perpendicular on the watch. So supposed to see it in the middle. Yeah, did you see that? It just went skewed maybe less than half a millisecond, half a milli to the right. And I did notice that, and that's for me a not the best to have, but anyways, I'll try it out today. I'll maybe take it out to the forest while forging, wearing it out, and try it out there, and let's see what how I feel more about it. Actually, let me put now the strap on it so you can see it on a different strap, or at least on my wrist as well. I totally understand the attraction of a titanium watch. You can see on this strap, it looks quite cool. And you can see also that they lied in the specification. It's not 22 millimeters, it's 23 millimeters. You can see that because this is a 22 millimeters. And so let's see if leather would solve this issue. Before solving the issue, a couple of wrist shots. So here's my wrist. I have a 17 centimeter, 17.1 at the moment. 17.1 is 6.7 something inches. And here you can see on this NATO strap how it looks. It does look quite nice, but I don't have any 23 millimeters, so I will try out the leather one. Always a tip: if you have a odd number strap, use a NATO, because most of the NATOs are not, or the cheap NATOs at least, are not so well made that they have the 2020, they have 2021, or if it's 22, it has 2223, and most of the time you would be able to fit it on a watch like this and have a better look than using a standard 22 strap or a standard 22 NATO, because as you can see now we have a bit better, let's say a bit better of a look, that because I hate this look if a piece is empty here. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please do leave a like. Also subscribe. If you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave this in the comment below, and hopefully we will see you in the next video. Have a great one, and bye bye.